Happy Thursday, everybody, and welcome back to the farm. It's been a very busy week here as we've been preparing, like most folks, for the huge winter storm that is headed our way this weekend. As I am out doing some evening checks on the animals, I looked into the sky and saw this gorgeous sunset, and I couldn't resist picking up the camera and bringing you guys along, I should say, to share it with you. I know a lot of folks are preparing for what will be a blistering cold week ahead. We are too here, so the dogs have been out enjoying themselves. Bruno here is completely muddied up. He just got back from an adventure, who knows where, with his dad, off to the creek somewhere. They've been enjoying some creek time these past few days, even in these very frigid temperatures. Just got all the other dogs situated and back to their post for the evening, and he is the last one yet waiting, where he knows that I let him back into the chicken yard to get in. So we'll go and take care of him shortly. In addition to all the other things we've had going on here on the farm this week, we've also added a few new products here as well. Some new local additions out of Fredericksburg, some locally crafted iced teas and sodas. So we're happy to have those here on our shelves for this year, and looking forward to seeing how the customers receive and react to that. We have been really after getting a lot more of our hyper local products, which is where we lean into products for our farm store and for our shelving here at the farm. And it's nice to know that we have lots of businesses who are in the area who've been reaching out to us to partner here recently. So hoping to continue to grow that list of things that are just as exciting for our customers and the folks here in King George and who are passing through, and as well for you if you happen to be stopping by the farm anytime soon. Happy Friday, everybody. We've made it to the end of the week, and it's been a busy week, as I told you guys yesterday, with all the stuff we've been doing behind the scenes, not only getting ready for the storm that's coming our way, but also for the season in general. Dragan is joining us for the very first time this week to tell us.
Almost missed it.
We will never let that happen, Dragan. To tell us all about what he's done today.
Well, for those of you that remember, this is our brooder space. It changed several times in the last couple of years. We made another change since we're starting a chick season much earlier this year. We're bringing in sexed chicks for sale. They'll be available for sale at the farm store. We have 300 of them coming in.
Oops. Did I just...
No, I don't know what's going on.
We just probably just need to get another one.
That's another black one there. So,
all right, we'll change it out.
We're getting 300 of them, 3 different breeds. I don't remember, I want to say it was Rhode Island Barbox and Buff Orpingtons that we're getting this week. Well, next week. Typically we will have 40-50 chicks per box with one heat lamp. However, this week we're getting some brutally cold temperatures. We are going into actually negatives on Monday and Tuesday, so nights. Rest of the week, I believe that we have single digits most of the week during the night, and we're not breaking 30 degrees the entire week next week, so it's going to be a chilly night. So our friend Neil was here helping me out to clean this up. Thanks, Neil, for that. We board up one half of the entrance, and the second half we have the cloth on just to stop the wind from coming in. Feels nice in here, feels warm, but we'll definitely test it out tomorrow. It's supposed to be a cold day too, just to see. We've doubled up the amount, like I said, of the heat lamps too. We have to run today to track the supply and make sure that to secure these. I took loss of the heat lamps. So now we have 2 heat lamps per box. We'll do 50 chicks per box. And that's about it. We still need to locate how many feeders, 2 feeders.
Probably in the garage too, because we had...
Yeah, so these 2 boxes need feeders. We also we added lighting here, so it's because we closed the entrance. We have the curtains there, so now it kind of became dark in here, so we had to add the lighting.
That's another original entrance that we
never actually opened it last season.
Yep, we closed that off a while ago when we had the rabbits in here.
It kind of works fine because it gives us a nice draft of air with chicks, but we've been actually staying on top of chicks, so if it's hot, we put them out on the pasture within 3 weeks instead of typical 4. So, but yeah, I'm happy that we got this done, because the next couple of days with the cold weather is going to be really hard to do any kind of work outside other than one that is really, really necessary, such as feeding the animals. So, but yeah.
All right. Cindy and I got plants moved into the greenhouse for some protection, and then have been working on just getting rid of Christmas decorations. Oh. Putting that away. Yes. Cindy got everything boxed up. We just needed to put it away. So getting projects done feels like a lot of running today.
Water the greenhouse too before it freezes, and that's about it. You can call it a day.
All right.
Kevin is making dinner.
Does Kevin know? We'll see what tomorrow brings. Bella. Happy Sunday, everybody. Welcome to Snowstorm Fern here at the farm. Happy Sunday, Dragan.
I don't know if it's happy Sunday, but all right, I'll take it.
You're upright, you're moving, your animals are all alive. We'll definitely take it.
All right, we'll take it, I guess.
How's the snowstorm been treating you so far?
Rough. It's always challenging to get water to the animals. Yesterday we had a mishap. We didn't check the water hoses. We usually, let's walk over here. We usually just leave the water running on really cold nights when we're expecting temperatures below 20 degrees. Yesterday, or 2 nights ago, we didn't check the water if they were running, so all the hoses froze. So yesterday we had to thaw out 6, 7 hoses, I don't know how many, to get the water running, because for next 2 weeks we're not gonna break. I think there's only like 2-3 days the temperatures are breaking 30 degrees, so it's going to be quite cold. So we couldn't really risk having to haul water from the house all the way down to all of the animals. So we got everything fixed. Water is running here with ducks, with sheep, with chickens, so that way they at least have fresh water. Duck feeder is inside the coop. Ducks don't mind the cold, ducks are fine. Chickens are a little stressed. We scooped some of the snow. We're expecting some rain after this, so hopefully it's not a freezing rain, it's just the rain, so it will melt that snow that's left on the ground at the area where I scooped it. So it will give them some roaming area, because right now everybody was just underneath the coop. But yeah, it's not fun. Makes everything kind of 3-4 times harder, even just walking. Luckily, we didn't get as they expected. What they say, about 12 to 18 inches they were expecting. I don't know, looks like, let's take a look. Maybe good 5. Yeah, just to my ankle. Maybe good 5 inches. So that's always nice. Then kind of, what's it called? Rain, icy rain. Sleet.
Yeah.
Yeah, it snowed. Started kind of slowly last night at 10:30. Snowed all night, but it was luckily not a heavy snow. So And like I said, most of the day was kind of icy rain, sleet, so it's good. So hopefully we get the rain later on and brings this snow even more down, so it will definitely help the animals. So, but everybody's holding up so good, so there you go.
That's going to do it for us for this week's vlog. I think we started the week with some little bit of a dusting on the ground, if I recall, and then the weather got a little bit nicer that day, and a couple days later it was actually in the 50s here on Thursday, just a couple days ago before the snowstorm came. So it's definitely been quite a roller coaster. Yeah, quite a roller coaster here with Mother Nature lately. But folks always ask, what do you do when it gets cold? How are the animals? As you can see, the animals are okay. They're resilient. It's all about making sure that they have water and the food, they have the shelter, and we just kind of come out throughout the day checking on them, making sure that they are doing okay and that everybody is surviving.
Yeah, definitely.
All right. Well, it's going to be a very bitterly cold week, as Dragan mentioned. Not sure how much outside stuff we're going to get done or what we might have on the docket, but if there are things of interest or just daily life as usual, we'll be sure to bring you along for that as much as possible. Hope that everybody is warm and safe and packing your patience. Thank you out there to all of the essential workers and first responders who have been out there also too, risking their lives so that the rest of us can stay home. And hope everybody is doing what they can to remain safe throughout the duration of the storm. And when things pass, if you happen to be traveling through Virginia, coming down US 301 and driving through King George County, make sure you stop right here and see us at the farm. Everybody stay safe out there, and we'll see you again real soon.
We'll see you next week.